Are you still taking notes the old-fashioned way? What if I told you AI can not only take notes for you, but also organize them, summarize long lectures, and even turn your messy thoughts into structured documents? In this video, I'll show you the top AI note-taking apps that are perfect for students, professionals, and anyone who wants to save time and boost productivity. Stick around till the end because I'll also reveal one hidden gem that most people don't even know exists. Welcome back to ToolBloomAI, the channel where we explore the best AI tools that make your life smarter and easier. If you are new here, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on future videos about awesome AI tools. Now let's dive straight into our list of the best AI note-taking apps. First up, we have Notion AI. Notion itself is already one of the most popular productivity apps. But with AI integrated, it becomes much more powerful. It can summarize long notes, auto-complete sentences, and even generate meeting summaries. One of the best features is how it transforms your rough notes into structured and professional content instantly. It is perfect for students writing research notes or professionals drafting reports. And don't forget the pro tip, use Notion AI's Ask AI feature to quickly create outlines from your brainstorming notes. Next we have Otter.ai, one of the best apps for real-time transcription and note-taking. Imagine attending a lecture or business meeting and Otter automatically takes accurate notes for you. It highlights keywords, identifies speakers, and generates summaries. Plus, it syncs across devices, making it perfect for remote teams. And the pro tip is connect Otter.ai with Zoom or Google Meet for automated meeting transcripts. If you are someone who struggles with organizing thoughts, Mem AI is the game changer. Unlike traditional note-taking apps, Meme uses AI to automatically organize your notes based on context. It learns your work style, creates smart links between ideas, and helps you retrieve information fast. Think of it as your second brain powered by AI. And the pro tip is to use Meme AI smart tags for projects so it automatically sorts related notes for you. You can now get AI-powered summaries, task suggestions, and search improvements. It is perfect if you are already an Evernote user and want smarter note management without switching platforms. The pro tip is to use Evernote's AI search to instantly find old notes with just a few keywords. Now let's talk about Fireflies.ai, which is ideal for professionals. Fireflies.ai is an AI meeting assistant that records, transcribes, and summarizes your meeting automatically. It integrates with Zoom, Microsoft Teams, and Google Meet. You can also search through past meetings using keywords like having a searchable database of every conversation. And the pro tip is to use Firefly's AI summary emails so you never miss important action items from a meeting. Now here's the hidden gem I promised, Cogram AI. It's a relatively new AI tool designed for researchers and professionals. Cogram can take structured meeting notes, generate action items, and even create analytics reports. It is less popular but extremely powerful if you want AI-driven insights from your notes. So there you have it, the top AI note-taking apps that can completely change the way you learn, work, and organize information. From Notion AI for structured notes, to Otter.ai for live transcription, and hidden gems like Cogram AI, there's something here for everyone. Which one are you excited to try first? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to ToolBloomAI for more guides on the best AI tools.